Hey, just take a moment and look at this beautiful home. The touch is just gorgeous. It's so stunning. Has a large landscape as well. This home is located in Central Florida. It starts off at about $1.3 million in a gated and private exclusive neighborhood. Gorgeous. It has an open floor plan. Wine cellar. That's the formal dining. Alright, it's one of the restrooms. Then we're going to go to the laundry room. Extremely spacious. Please take a moment and subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the bell so you'll be notified of new videos. Look at that amazing view. It's a beautiful lakefront property. So much entertainment space out here. Have a jacuzzi. I love that view. This view could be yours. Okay, in this community, they like to say they have value and location. Okay, they also have condos at this location in the front of the community as well. They have a clubhouse, 75,000 square feet clubhouse with private membership. The clubhouse has 2 restrooms and they have a resort style pool. Look at that. Look at this back view to this home, okay? Yes. They have the patio upstairs as well. Ceiling fans can be placed outside. Living in Florida, you better have that. That lake, just to let you know, is actually called Lake Apopka. Some nice fishing there as well. Okay, now back to this clubhouse. The clubhouse also has a fitness center, a tennis court, a spa, and a 18-hole golf course. Yes, so you can definitely choose a lot that's on the golf course as well, or you can choose a beautiful lakefront property. I love this kitchen. Double oven, stainless steel. This home also provides a large walk-in pantry, which is perfect for families. Beautiful, beautiful. Ready for the holidays. Okay, you have the dining table, living area, the wine cellar again, right next to that formal dining room. Right, let's go ahead down this hallway. Now, just to let you know, in this community as well, they do have security at the gated entrance, and it is a 24-hour surveillance of community security. I love this large walk-in shower, like OMG. Okay. You have a his and hers on the sink, one on each side. I love that because you have extra space. You know, a dual is nice, but when you can actually have it separated on each side of the restroom, just you really feel like you have your own area. Okay, and I just want to tell you, if you are out of state, okay, if you want to plan your next visit, you can contact me, of course, jkellysells@gmail.com, or you can text me or call me at 689-229-8178, and you can ask me about their fly and buy program. We can definitely get you signed up for that, where they give you up to $2,000 towards your airfare and hotel accommodations. They will reimburse you up to $2,000 on airfare and hotel accommodations, okay? And it applies to the purchase of developer-owned land and move-in ready homes on the condo list, okay? Beautiful bedroom, detailed from the top to the bottom, large windows, well. If you have children, they have an academy, which is only 1 mile away from this community, and it's less than 20 minutes away from a prep school as well, which is a highly rated school in the area. Look at that light fixture. Yes. This community works with 8 exclusive private developers, okay? You can select your own developer. They all offer something different. So you can see sort of how they design their homes, and you can select the builder that you would like to work with and customize your home to your liking for you and your family. Now, this is actually a Jack and Jill bedroom. I love how they separated the sinks, but we'll point that out later. Okay. That's the shared toilet, the shared shower. Okay. Nice and spacious. Then on the Jill side, she has her sink, and I'll show you Jack's sink. So I like how they separate that as well. So, you know, your children can feel like they have their own restroom because they do have their own sink area, which does close as well. So they can have their own area when they want to get dressed. And this is the other bedroom. Again, nice and spacious, has room for a desk so your child can do their homework. Then it has great area for bed, dressers, closets, and all of the above. I love the detail. The tiles with that shower is beautiful. Now, with this community, they do have preferred lenders that the custom dream team will definitely help with the financing so they can tailor your needs and your budget, okay? Love these spacious rooms. Beautiful. And again, please, if you have not already, go ahead and click subscribe. So you can subscribe to my YouTube channel, and you'll be notified once you click that bell when I have new videos. And again, this is another bedroom turned into an office, but it is still a bedroom. Now, these days, a lot of us are working from home, and you want that nice area so you can make your office at home. For me, I'm more productive with my at-home office because I have an at-home office as well. Okay, now this patio here is actually leading from the primary bedroom. You've seen it earlier in the video when I showed a view from the back of the house. Perfect for morning coffee. This is a nice view of the formal dining area. Thank you all for watching my tour.